Set and Go Pro app expands the capabilities and functions of your EasyLife butt welding machine, providing a cost-cutting alternative to expensive data logging devices. Through the mobile phone or device in your hands, you'll possess a control unit capable of transferring welding parameters to your welding machine with a few clicks. Set and Go Pro is designed to increase job site efficiency, providing greater weld accuracy and reducing errors, boost profitability by completing the project sooner. With the GPS and smartphone scanner, you can collect, transfer and store information by project name. You can record the exact location of each pipe weld as well as the construction site. You can scan pipe and fitting barcodes, scan operator badge, and take a photo before and after the installation. With a detailed report at the end of each weld, you have all the technical data with exact graphs and parameters to compare against international welding standards. Quickly share the welding reports in PDF format via email and WhatsApp, or save them to your phone or on a cloud archive. Discover Set and Go Pro in your mobile app store and maximize your job site efficiency.